Want to start a YouTube channel but don't know where to begin? In this video, I will walk you through how to create your channel, customize it, and optimize it for growth in 2025 step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner, you will be ready to create your first video. Head over to YouTube and you can see there is the option sign in. You can use the app there or this other one. I just click on any of them and click on sign in. Just hit the sign in button. After that, you can see you can either input your email. If you don't have, you need to create one. Just let us create one because of the beginners who don't know. You can see you ask for your first name. Just write your first name. Write your first name there. You can write the second name, which is optional, and click on next. After that, you're supposed to write your month, date, and year of birth, and then your gender. And then click on next again. Remember, I'm showing you how fast to create your Gmail account. Yeah, you can see now you put your email and click on next. You choose one of the email that they provide for you, or you can just decide to create your own according to how your name is or anything like that. So just choose it and click on next. After that, you can see you create a strong password and click on next. Then there is enter. You can see there is where you are supposed to enter your phone number to verify and click on next once you receive the code. After that, you see you're supposed to enter a recovery email. If you want or you don't, just click on skip and click on next. Then read the terms of privacy, scroll down and click on agree. After creating that, now you're supposed to create your first YouTube channel. You can see just click on create channel. You can see there is the picture, there is the name, and there is handle. Let's start with name. This is the name of your channel, either your name or any other name you wish to use. Let me use online hustles. Online hustle, just that. I want it to be my name. After putting it, you just click on save. Click save. Then you can see the handle. You can either decide to continue the same handle, or you can decide to change the handle, but I will choose to continue the same handle because remember, handles are not shared, and there is a difference between a handle and a name. And you can see there is also now the picture part where you're supposed to put your YouTube logo. That is a photo. Just click on the photo icon there, and you'll be taken to your gallery, the gallery of your device, and choose one of the photo that you think fits you to be, and then customize it to fit on the circle, and click on set as profile picture, and that is. And after it is complete loading, you just click on create channel. And boom, you have already just created a YouTube channel. That's easy, but remember there's some settings you need to set after this. Just click on view the profile, and you can see there is, if you click on more to view your channel, there is one thing that is left, which is called a YouTube banner. That will make your channel very beautiful. To do that, head over to Canva and type on YouTube banner and choose one of the pictures you want to use or one of the sizes. Remember, it should be small. And here I'll write online hustles, and the other side I'll write making money online, and the picture between I'll change it to be my own, the photo that I used for my YouTube logo. Okay, is that clear? That is what I will use as my photo, so that this can be just a good and a beautiful YouTube banner. Yeah, on this side, just click on delete and click on text, click on add text, and then write what you want, online hustle, and then drag it to fit that space. The handle there down, you can put your handle or what you normally do on YouTube. I will just delete it because of time. I don't want this video to be so long. Okay, I think this is the right time to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell. Write making money online, and then you shall just customize the size to fit that space. using your fingers. You just customize it to fit the space. And you are done. Now is about the photo. No, there is the banner there down. You are supposed to delete that header, because you use your header. If you don't you put your header here, just delete anything you found. You should use your own header. For the photo, you just click the photo and click on replace. You can see replace, and you are taken to your gallery where you're supposed to choose one of the photos. And I recommend you to use the photo that you use for your YouTube logo or your YouTube profile picture. Yeah, you can choose these ones if you don't have, but I just prefer you to go to your gallery and choose one of your photos and put done, and it will be automatically replaced. As you can see, the back, you can change the background of this banner. Just click on the background and click on color and choose any color of your wish. I will go with orange, and that is our banner. And then click on export, click on download, and wait it for it to download, and it will be saved to your device. Okay, it will be saved to your device, so you just go there on YouTube and upload it. Let me show you. Now head over to YouTube and choose the banner and click on set it, and just you should squeeze it to fit that space. You can see that it's for all devices how it will appear, for desktop and for TV how it will appear for the TV. So I think this is good, but next time I can make a video to show you how to make it smaller. And now you click on the icon of your YouTube channel there where it shows your photo. You can see channel banner successfully uploaded, and you will see the banner, your logo, your name. Now to set the other settings, you need to go to YouTube desktop and click on setting icon, and you can see there is a lot of things to set. The first is currency. You can use any currency if you are monetized. If you're not monetized, that is none of your business by then. And then you can see your country of residence. I live in Kenya. You just click on Kenya. You just click on where you live, that is. And then you can see that the keywords are very important, and they will appear on, they will make your channel to be seen, to be visible, to be on the search. That is the CEO. Yes, you just write hash something what your channel is, and put a comma in between each keyword. You can see there is YouTube growth, there is making money online, there is all that. You can also input your channel name as the keyword, so that people can start searching you with your name. Okay, go back there to settings and go on the second where it lights upload defaults, and under that you can see you're supposed to set basic information, that is the visibility of your channel. I like it to be unlisted always. Advanced settings, here is where you set the category of your niche, or the category of your content, and I will go with education, there is entertainment, blogs, everything. And you can see the video language. You just click there and you can set any language that you used to be delivering a video in. The comments, you can turn the comments on or off, or you can just moderate them. On the other side, there is basic, there is none, where every comment is acceptable. Basic is where the potential comment appears. There is strict, and you can also hold every comment before showing out there. And then there is where you show how many views, how many people like my videos, and you can keep it on or off according to your weight. And you can see there is other channel, there is feature eligibility. And remember these intermediate features that allowed you to customize thumbnail, live stream, and upload videos longer than 15 minutes. You need to verify your phone number, and just put your phone number, you receive a code, and you put the code there. That is the simple. And the other icon is about permission, where you can give people permission under this to manage, to be the manager, to be editors, to be editor which are limited, to manage subtitles, subtitle editors, and viewer or viewer limited. That is what you can invite them to be. You just input the email and they will be invited there. Okay, that is very simple and very clear. Now let me take you how the interface of a YouTube studio look like. And as you can see, the first icon there shows your photo, and then there is the second one that shows the content. Remember, everything is empty because we have not uploaded any content. Anything you have not uploaded, because we have just created this channel now. As you can see, there is where there is analytics, channel copyright. Here is where you see if there is any video in your channel that has a copyright. It's very important to use that feature. And then you can see earn on YouTube. To earn on YouTube, the first way you can earn on YouTube is by achieving 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, or 3 million views on shorts in the last 1 year, or 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million short views in the last 1 year. That is. And the last icon is about YouTube library. Here is where you come and you find audio that you can put on your YouTube videos. This audio does not have any copyright. You can put them on your videos to be the background on anything, the sound effects. Please like this video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. I love you all.